Here's a 2015 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.